Hi everyone, this is Jim Todd with Video Surgeon 3, and in this week's edition of Video Tips, we're going to talk about the loop bypass feature found in Video Surgeon 3. So first, a little bit of background. Video Surgeon is often used as a learning or practice tool by musicians, athletes, leisure sports such as golf or tennis, and in just about any field of endeavor where video is used for teaching or practice. And one of the main ways in which Video Surgeon is used for practice is to create loops that isolate a specific segment of a video for repeated playing. And of course, once a loop is created, it can be customized with a variety of settings, including a change of speed and the degree of zoom. There are times, however, when it is helpful to remove all created loops and play the entire video from start to finish without it stopping at each loop. And that's where the loop bypass comes in. So let's take a look at that in Video Surgeon 3 so you can see how it works. And it's really quite simple and straightforward. So as you can see, I have set up a bunch of loops on the bottom. The loop bypass here is right there, and you can see the tooltips pop up where it says loop bypass. So if we select it, it simply toggles all those loops off. And when they're off, the progress indicator will play through these loops as if they're not even there. So it won't stop at all, won't loop repeatedly. It'll just play like I'm dragging it right now. So that's how the universal loop bypass works. Toggle them back on. Now, if you wanted to turn off one or a few of these loops, you could do that manually by right-clicking in the loop area and then selecting loop bypass, and it turns it off. And you can do that for one, or you can do it for several of them. So you can see now I've turned off two of those. So there are two ways to do this loop bypass. One is to do it one by one or in a manual way, and then the second way is to do it with this universal sort of loop bypass toggle here found in the Loops and Markers menu. So with that, we'll conclude this video tip for this week. Thanks for watching. Bye.